guys, good morning. Today I'm going to make a healthy holiday breakfast. I'm gonna do a sweet potato pancake. So I'm gonna start with these sweet potatoes. I'm gonna grab some eggs. Of course, I wanna add some protein in there, so I'll grab some vanilla protein and I'll show you what I will be using for all of the ingredients to make my sweet potato pancakes. Then we are going to, we're going to wash our sweet potatoes. I have my vegetable brush here. This is my vegetable brush. Now that we've got them nice and washed, we're going to peel them. First things first, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 so that we can bake the sweet potatoes. Next we're going to remove the skin off of these sweet potatoes. Okay. Then we're going to cut them up into chunks. That way we can make it easier to bake. The smaller the pieces, the quicker it will cook. There we go. We're going to put this in an oven-safe bowl. Drizzle. No, we're not going to drizzle anything on it. We're just going to put it in the oven and let it soften. I'm going to cover it. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've got myself a nice oven-safe bowl. I'm going to grab some butter spray just to kind of coat the bowl. I'm going to dump the sweet potatoes in there. I'm going to drizzle a little almond extract over it. A little bit of vanilla. And a generous amount of cinnamon. And then I'm just going to mix it up. Okay, once I have it mixed up, I'm just going to cover it and place it in the oven. Set the timer for 30 minutes and then we'll check it, see how it's progressing from there. All right, it should be ready. gonna remove the lid. We're gonna put some plant-based butter in there. Probably what, like a tablespoon? I'm just gonna mash up the sweet potatoes. See all the cinnamon in there? The container's still hot, so I don't want to touch it with my hands. So I like texture, so I'm going to leave some chunks in there. To sweeten it and to add some protein, I'm going to add some vanilla ice cream protein. Okay. That's going to give it some sweetening and also 120 calories, but 22 grams of protein. So I'm going to do about 1 scoop here. Put that in there. And then mix that up. Okay, so it took quite a while for it to cook in the oven, so you can also microwave the sweet potatoes. It took about an hour 15 for it to get that soft. Now I'm gonna grab a good sized pot. Turn on the stove. Let that heat up. In the meantime, I'm going to grab 2 eggs. There's one. And there's the second one. And then take a fork and beat the eggs. I'm going to get some more butter. That's a lot. I just want to melt that in the pan. It's still a little warm. I'm going to take half of this mixture and put it in a bowl. And I'm going to take half of the egg mixture and put that in there as well. I'm going to mix that together. The egg is going to act as a binding agent for the sweet potatoes. It's going to be a pretty big sweet potato pancake. Okay, let that roll around a little bit. And we're going to put half of that mixture in there. Just turn that down. Kind of making it into little circle. Let that cook nicely. I'm gonna push the butter towards the center, so the oil can kind of get underneath the pancake a little bit. So I'm kind of just pushing the oil underneath. Okay, again I'm gonna push the oil a little bit to the front a little bit. See if it's ready to flip. Didn't quite flip the way I wanted it to, but listen, it happens, right? The most important thing is that it tastes good, and that's the reality of it. So anyway, I'm gonna push that more towards the center. I'm gonna push the butter more towards the center so it can finish cooking. Now we're gonna grab some walnuts and chop those up. I'm gonna grab about a 1/4 cup. And then I'm just gonna smash them up. And grab a plate. And we're gonna transfer this over to the plate. This is what it looks like. Then we've got pancake. We're going to top it with some of the walnuts. And then we have some marshmallows. So we're going to just drop a couple of those marshmallows on top. As little or as much as you'd like. And I'm going to drizzle some syrup on top. And this is what it looks like. So now let's try it. Let's see what it tastes like. Get pancake, a little bit of the syrup, and a marshmallow. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That's pretty good. Instead of maple syrup, because I don't have any right now, I put some sugar-free blueberry. And that tastes nice. Now, I like to mix my flavors. That may not be your zhuzh. So if you prefer maple syrup, date syrup, which I do also have but didn't use, or regular syrup, it's whatever you like. But you can taste that sweet potato and the cinnamon and the crunch from the walnuts and the softness from the pillowy marshmallows. It was very good. I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, it's got lots of protein in it, fiber from the sweet potatoes, and it takes a little bit of time, but if you prep your sweet potatoes earlier, it won't take you nearly as long as it took me. Again, you can microwave it, prep it ahead of time, like a day or two ahead of time, and then just make these each morning. You just add your eggs and then mix it all together, and then you've got your sweet potato pancakes. I'm gonna go enjoy this. You guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this holiday recipe. See you soon.